Salesforce for Mobile, developing with Salesforce Mobile SDK. We will explore the benefits of using Salesforce Mobile SDK for mobile app development and how you can leverage this tool to create innovative solutions for your business. What is Salesforce Mobile SDK? Salesforce Mobile SDK is a collection of tools and resources that allow developers to create custom mobile applications that are tightly integrated with the Salesforce platform. Why use Salesforce Mobile SDK for mobile development? This allows developers to create apps that provide real-time access to customer data, sales information, and other key business metrics. Whether you need to create a mobile app for field service employees, sales representatives, or customer service agents, Salesforce Mobile SDK provides the flexibility to build apps that meet your unique requirements. How to get started with Salesforce Mobile SDK. Once you have familiarized yourself with the Salesforce Mobile SDK, you can start building your mobile app. Whether you are developing a native iOS app, an Android app, or a hybrid app, Salesforce Mobile SDK provides everything you need to create a seamless integration with the Salesforce platform. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce Mobile SDK is a powerful tool for building custom mobile applications that are seamlessly integrated with the Salesforce platform.